Okay, starting on 64, page 64 of my notes, basically. In the center of every particle is a kind of singularity of its own. Now, this has supposedly been proven no, but I'm going to talk about it anyway. You can take it or leave it. But we do know that around particles there is time dilation. So there's something going on there for sure. It is part of, and I ask, is it part of the original or the origin singularity, or is it a tiny singularity in a singularity? I put maybe. Regardless of this, we know what we know. Some supposition is required. It turns out that we are special in the universe, and oh yeah, and I say that likely that there's another U in the universe is zero, basically zero, because of a halting function. That's based on if the trajectories that form us are not discrete within the Planck length. If that's true, then there's no duplicate U for sure. But being that they're in the Planck length, and the reason why I would say that is because if you have the base particle and it's a singular, it's a dimensionless thing, like it has a size of some kind, but we treat it like a point of singularity when we calculate. So if that goes through a Planck length, then the Planck length is huge to it. It just goes through that spot where it needs to go through. And so anyway, you might not know what I'm talking about. Okay, the only place you'll find another U is in the past, present, and maybe the future. Though there is a buffer reality in V-space, how to use that would be the work of future U's and me's. Although there are going to be infinite